All right, so I have this idea. I've had this idea for several years. I just never really committed to it or put it on video or tried to organize it. I think this will be really fun. Okay, all I'm trying to do is to get people that are into the hobby now to do something else, to do something that you normally don't do. I mean, maybe you're stuck on FT8. Maybe you think there's not a lot out there. I mean, you know, before FT8 existed, guys, I was on PSK31 and RIDI and Contestia and DominoEX and Thor and Olivia, like nightly, daily. There'd be people using those, and it's all FT8. Now, I do like FT8 suddenly after all these years. I said 2 months ago that I fell in love with FT8 because I'm using that specifically at 0% output power on my radio and then maybe 1%. So I'm only putting out a watt, half a watt, and I enjoy the weak signal and seeing what antennas go where, right? But for some interactive keyboard to keyboard chat, I want to do like a mini net. And I'm going to see how this works, and I have tons of ideas for this if people join this. So I'm going to start with this. How about, so tomorrow is 4th of July, 250 year, happy birthday America, 250 years strong. Let's try from 7 to 8 Eastern time on 40 meters DominoEX 8. Okay, you can use DominoEX 4, 8, 11, 16. Let's try DominoEX 8. I want to see if everybody who's watching who wants to participate. I mean, if you're doing FT8 on 40 meters already, you can do DominoEX. Digital Master from Ham Radio Deluxe. I use the old DM780 on the free Ham Radio Deluxe. Been using that since like 2012. No reason to pay an upgrade. You could use FL Digi, probably a couple other ones. But check it out. DominoEX, as I've said, the videos are in the description below, the videos I did in the past explaining all about it. But in a nutshell, it's a MFSK style digital mode, keyboard to keyboard chat that will decode anywhere from 10 to 18 dB below the noise floor. And it depends on if you use the fastest or the slowest mode. But I think DominoEX 8, if we got on there and at 7 Eastern, Sunday, 2 days from this video, I'll try it. I'll sit there for an hour and I'll call CQ 7.039. If that's busy or full, we'll try to squeeze a little bit left or right. But you'll see me there on the waterfall. 7.039 upper sideband from 7 to 8. Let's see. If we get 20, 30 people that jump in, and we'll keep it short. You know, hey, cool. Hey, John, nice to see you. You know, and I see everybody calling, and maybe we could pick them all up together. And maybe you can find other people to talk right there in that window. If this works, I got tons of ideas for a lot of digital modes that people do not use. And this is a way to get me the option or ability to work other people because nobody's on there. You can call CQ until your finals burn out right now and you're not gonna find anybody. But to prove that theory that it's, 40 meters just ain't working, let's see what happens. If we get 20, 30 people, yeah, I'll be recording it on the screen and I can show everybody who didn't participate what happened. And then if that works, maybe I could do every Sunday or every other Sunday. Dude, we could do Hellschreiber. I love that. It's my favorite mode. We could do some MFSK, all kinds of stuff. And use those digital modes that are great, that are interactive, and that are just not used. So I didn't even tell you what UTC. So what is that? 23 to 0 UTC, I think, or GMT. 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern, Sunday, 2 days from this video. That would be July 5th. Okay, so let's see what happens. I will see you on 7.039 on DominoEX 873. KJ4YZI.
Ham Radio Concepts is brought to you by HamRadioPrep.com. It's never been easier to learn about ham radio before you take the exam. And Ham Radio Prep makes it fun and guarantees your success. Visit HamRadioPrep.com. Use the code ERIC20 to instantly save 20% off every course you buy. Remember the name, HamRadioPrep.com.